Here section 2 first question here, find the length of the major axis. Now solution here, he asking us to find the major axis. Major major axis. Now second minor axis, and third he are asking us to latus rectum, and fourth one eccentricity he asking us to find eccentricity, and next he asking us to coordinates of the center. Now center he asking us to find, and again foci he asking us to find foci, and equation of the directrix, equation of directrix. Okay, these all we have to find here. Now start with the question here. So first question is given that, so I will take here like question, I will right side I will do. Question is 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144 is given. So this 144 I will bring to the left side of the equation. It will become, I will divide with this one. Okay, 9 144 plus 16y square divided by 144 I will write is equal to 1. Okay, 1 into something like this, it I will bring to this one. 9 1 ja 9, 16 ja 16 1 ja 16, 9 ja. So okay, x square divided by 16 will come, plus y square divided by 9 will come is equal to 1. So from this a square is equal to 16 and b square is equal to 9 will come, and a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3 will come from this a value and b values. So here from this the major axis is equal to 2 into a. So what is 2 into a is equal to, a is equal to how much we got, 4 is equal to, yeah, it is a major axis, and minor axis 2 into b. So what is b, 2 into b is equal to 3, 2 3 ja 6 will come here. So what is lattice rectum formula, 2b square by a is a lattice rectum formula, where this is a standard form. I am saying this standard form where the lattice rectum is 2b square by a will come here. What is 2 into b square is equal to how much, 9 divided by a is equal to how much, 4, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4 na, so here 9 by 2 will come here, 9 by 2. So what is the eccentricity formula here, E is equal to what is the eccentricity formula, under root of a square minus b square divided by a square. This is the eccentricity formula. Okay, for standard form, of the ellipse. Now here a square is equal to, already we know, 16 minus 9 divided by b square is equal to divided by 16. So it will become 1 by 4 into root 7 will come here. Okay, now what is the answer here, root 7 divided by 4 will come. Here center is 0 comma 0 will come. Standard form of center is 0 comma 0, every time will come like this. Now foci is equal to plus or minus ae comma 0. This is standard form of foci. Okay, here a is equal to how much, a is equal to, we know already, 4 into e is equal to how much, root 7 by 4 plus or minus. Okay, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja will get cancel, is equal to 0. So here root 7 comma 0 will come, plus or minus. Now here the directrix of the equation, x is equal to a by e will come. So x is equal to means x is, a is equal to how much we got, 4 no. So 4 divided by e is equal to how much we got, e is equal to root 7 by 4 will come. So 16 by root 7 will be the answer. In case if you don't want to uh, irrational number like irrational number root 7, you don't want to keep in the denominator, you will multiply with this 7 and root 17, root 7 7. So it will become root 16 root 7 divided by 7 will come 7. This is 7x is equal to 16 root x will come here. So this is equation 16 root 7, not x. So this is answers of a given question, the first one here. The first one questions, answers, solutions, all this here we got this one. Now moving to the next one. Uh, so if you want to or else leave it like root 7x is equal to 16 also, you can leave it also here. Okay, no problem. You can do anyway. Now first one is over here. Now moving to the second one, that is also very important here. Now here second question is given, that solution. So here second question, what is given, 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 here given. So from this I will bring x variables one side and y variables at the one side here. Solution, I will x square plus, sorry, minus here x square minus minus 8x plus y square plus 2y is equal to minus 1 I am writing here. Okay, so now here 4 I will common from this one, x square minus 2x will be there. I will add 1 here. So 4 1 ja 4. I will add 4 to the right side of the equation, like it like this. Minus 1 is there, minus 1 like 4 I'm adding to the both sides. Okay. So here 4 1 ja 4 will come. Okay na. This is 4. 4 minus 4 will become 0. Okay na. So that's why I'm adding. Here also plus y square plus 2y plus what we have to add here plus 1. Here plus 1 I'm adding, here plus 1 I'm adding. Okay. Plus 1 I'm adding. So because why I'm adding 4 here means here 4 1s are there na, so 4 1s are 4 will come. So that's why I'm adding 4 to the both sides of the equation. Okay. Here 4 into this is x minus 1 whole square will come plus this is y plus 1 whole square will come is equal to this minus minus 1 will get cancelled here, plus 1 minus 1. So will what will remain here? 4 will remain. What will remain? 4. After that I will bring this 4 to the left side of the equation. It will become what will come here? X minus 1 whole square 4 into divided by 4 and plus y plus 1 whole square divided by 4 will come is equal to 1 will be there. So 4 1 ja 4 1 ja will get cancelled here. So from this a square is equal to what we will get? 1 and b square is equal to what we will get? 4. So a is equal to what? 1 will come and b is equal to 2 will come here. Okay. See dear students, here a great less than b na. So this is the condition na. So this condition having like ellipse is fourth one ellipse. This fourth one ellipse where you find means here in the textbook there is 137 page number. 137 page number you will find there. So a less than b. So that formula and ellipse total are given. The length of the major axis is given there. So I am writing here. So what we have to find? Major axis no? Major axis, and after that minor axis also we have to find minor axis. Okay, first we'll find major axis. What is a major axis means here? So b is a major one now. So here we'll take as a b is a 2b as a major axis, 2a as a minor axis here. Okay now. So from this 2a, so 2b. So what is b value here? 2 no. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4b major axis we got, and minor axis 2 into 1 is equal to 2 we'll get as a minor axis. And after this the length of the latus rectum. So next one is length of latus rectum. So what is the formula length of the latus rectum? In that only you will find a length of the latus rectum is given, not is given. So we'll find this directly. Like length of the latus rectum is 2a square by b. 2a square by b will come because a is a like minor axis will take as a in the numerator. So it will become 2 into a square. A square is equal to 1 divided by b is equal to how much? B is equal to 2 no? So 2. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled. We will get as a 1 from here. Now E is equal to. So what is E? Eccentricity. Eccentricity. What is E is equal to means like under root of b square minus a square divided by b square will come here. See in that one like ellipse 137 page number there is a eccentricity in the given in the last one. Eccentricity is equal to. So in this b square is equal to how much? 4. 4 minus a square is equal to 1 divided by b square is equal to 4. So it will become 1 by 2 into root of 3 will come, means root 3 by 2 will come here. Now eccentricity over what is what and what we have to find center h comma k. So is given in that one h comma k. C is equal to, so h comma k means h is equal to how much from this one? So h is equal to 1 comma h comma k is equal to minus 1 will come, minus 1. And again what we have to find here, Foci, we have to find Foci. So Foci is given as s is equal to h plus h comma k plus or minus b. So Foci is given as what is given h comma k plus or minus b e given Foci. Okay now, so in this we have to submit the values. H is equal to how much? H is equal to 1 1 and k is equal to minus 1 and plus or minus b is equal to how much we got? B is equal to 2. 2 into e is equal to how much we got? Root 3 by 2, means 2 into root 3 by 2 will get. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled. 1 comma minus 1 plus or minus under root 3 will come here. So this is Foci. So directrix we have to find here. Directrix is here. What is given directrix in this one? So y is equal to k plus or minus b by e is given here. So that is y is equal to no. So here directrix equation. Okay, so that is given as in the textbook only. Y is equal to k plus or minus b. Why I'm taking means two values here, s s dash. Okay, two for case. Like that's why I'm taking plus or minus. Here what will come? Y is equal to k is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus or minus be. Already we did this. Be is equal to how much? Sorry. This is directrix equation only, na? So that only will come same as for key also, no, same come like for key and k is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b by e is equal to how much will come, minus 1, and plus or minus b is equal to root 3 will come here. So this is a directrix equation. So now this is end of this question, second one. Now moving to the third one here. Now third question is given that x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 0 is given, na? So here, so I will write x terms 1 place like minus 4x plus y terms at 1 place 2y square plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 0. So here I will do same keep I like that only. So here I will do common from these two terms. It will become y square plus 6y will come, and plus, sorry, not plus, is equal to minus 14. I will write here minus 14. So here I will add plus 4 to this equation. Here plus 4 I will add for this one. It will become x minus 2 whole square will come here, and plus in this place for add I will add this 2 like 2y square like this na. So here I will add 3 2 ja will come na. So 9 I will add. 9 means, so 2 9 ja 18. So plus 18 I will add here. So it will become 2 into y plus 3 whole square. Okay, 3 to the 6 yeah. Okay, whole square is equal to this total will come here. This is 14. This is 10. Here this minus 10 and 8. 8 will come here. I will bring 8 to the left side of the equation. It will become x minus 2 whole square divided by 8 plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square divided by 8. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja will come here. So is equal to 1 will be there. So this one will come left side of the equation. No? So 1 will be there here. Now a is equal to what? A square is equal to 8 will get, and b is equal to how much will get? 4. B square is equal to. So a is equal to 2 root 2 will get here, b is equal to 2 will get here. So these two values we got here, a and b. So a is a bigger one, okay. So uh, a is bigger one, so what will come here? So a is larger, no, here root 2 is there, na, more, a greater than b, like this one. So it will become third equation will come, third third ellipse will come here. So where you will get the answers like length of the major axis, like, so here what we have to find major axis all this, no. So first length like major axis, length of the major axis is what? Length of the major axis 2a. So 2a is equal to 2 into a, 2 into a is equal to how much? Root 2 root 2. So is equal to 4 root 2 will come here. And again minor axis, what is that? 2b. So is equal to 2 into b is equal to how much? 2. 2 2 ja 4 will come. And the major axis over minus axis over here. What is what you have to find? Length of the latus rectum. Latus rectum. What is the length of latus rectum? 2b square by a, no? So 2b square by a. So what will come? 2b square a means is equal to 2 into b square is equal to what? 4. This is b. Actually b square is equal to 4, and divided by a is equal to 2 root 2. So a is equal to 2 root 2. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled here, and 2 will this root will multiply with the root 2 by root 2. So 4 root 2 divided by this 2 into 2, root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So is equal to 2 root 2 will come. Where lattice rectum is equal to. Now again what we have to find? Eccentricity. Eccentricity. So what is eccentricity? E is equal to formula under root of a square minus b square by a square. Under root of a square minus b square by a square. This is comes under 136th page number. 136th page number. The third is in a third ellipse form in that 4.6 figure 4.6, that one. Okay, so E is equal to under root of a square is equal to how much? 8 minus b square is equal to 4 divided by a is equal to how much? 2 root 2. So this is will come as this numerator will come 4. It will become root under root from will got, so it is and again this is what will come in the denominator, root 2 into 2. So this root 2 will get cancelled here, 2 will be there. So 2 1 0 2 1 0 get cancelled, 1 by root 2 will become. So E is equal to, and center is equal to h comma k, no? So h comma k, from this h comma, what is h here? Where is the eccentricity? This h comma k. H is equal to 2 and k is equal to what will come here? K is equal to minus 3 will come here. K is equal to minus 3. And again, what we have to find? Foci also we have to find. Focus, foci. So what is that foci is in that one? Foci like 136th page number. They will find foci is S is equal to, like foci S is equal to H plus AE comma K is there na? Okay, K. So where H it is this one, H plus or minus AC comma AE comma K. So what is H here? H is equal to 2 plus or minus A into E. A is equal to how much? 2 root 2 root 2 2 root 2 into E is equal to 1 by root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled. What will be remain? 2 plus or minus 2 will be remain. Okay. So 2 plus or minus will be remain, and sorry into comma K is equal to there na. So K is equal to how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 will be there. Plus or minus minus 3. Like minus 3. This will be there. Okay. After that, what we have to find? So this is plus or minus 2 means 4 comma minus 3 will come once, and 0 comma 3 minus 3 will come once. Okay. And what we have to find again? Uh, Equation of the directrix. Directrix equation. What is the directrix equation here? In that only x is equal to h plus or minus x is equal to plus or minus sorry, x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. So x is equal to, h is equal to how much we got here? 2. 2 plus or minus a by e. So a is equal to root 2 divided by e. E is equal to 1 by root 2. So it will go substitute the equation. It will become 2 into root 2 into root 2. So it will become 2. 2 means 2 to the 4. 4 will come here. So 4 will come. So this is end of the equation here. Like this is 4 plus or minus 4. If you want to take this to the right side of equation, it is x plus 4 plus or minus 4 is equal to 2 will come here.